Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trading. It's coming to you live from Asia, guys. It's a great time to be live. This is Ric Flair of Crypto coming to you live. Woo! It's a great time to be live. And guys and gals, look who came waddling in through the front door. You know what this means? Annabelle is back, guys. So remember, a lot of YouTubers are saying sell in May. So we're gonna be talking about Dogecoin. We're gonna be talking about Elon Musk. Just moved a whole bunch of Dogecoin out there, guys. So what is up with that? What's going on with that? So we're going to be talking about that and much more in this freaking video. So guys, go down there, smash the likes, click the likes, move the likes, show some love out there, guys. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Let's get it. Let's absolutely get it. Guys, go back and watch all my other videos. This is the latest update for Dogecoin with price predictions, guys. So go back and watch that. We have a huge forecast. So if you guys love crypto, you love the OG, go back and watch all the other videos, guys. Don't forget to share and boot the likes, guys. So what is going on right now? So we are seeing right now that the U.S. markets should be open right now. So the U.S. markets are down, down. And one of the reasons that the U.S. markets are down right now is because the PCE data came in hot. It came in about 0.3% more than expected. So it came in slightly. So on an annual basis, the so-called core PCE data increased 4.6%, slightly higher than the expected 4.5%, and down 0.1% from a month ago. But we're seeing that inflation still rose, and that is why we're seeing that the markets are down. So that's what's going on with that. That is what is absolutely going on with that, guys. Also, too, guys, did you guys know that central banks right now are buying more gold? Because what they're doing is they're buying more gold and they're dropping the USD out there. So get ready for that, guys. So it looks like a US dollar could be faltering. Also, Intel has posted its biggest quarterly loss in history, $2.8 billion. What is up with that? Intel, OMG. Got a lubricated throat. So we're seeing the PCE data did come in hot. Not good. Absolutely not good. But despite that, we're still seeing that if you take a look at the all assets by market cap, we're still seeing that gold is number one, followed by Apple, Microsoft, Saudi, Aramco out there. But guys, take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is number 11. It's beating out Johnson & Johnson, beating out Tesla, ExxonMobil, Visa, LVMH, and all of that stuff, guys. So guys, don't sleep on Bitcoin. Don't sleep on crypto, guys. Let's take a look at the heat map. Hopefully, I don't need the sunglasses. Good. So it looks like the Annabelle effect has been nullified out there. Get out of here. What are you doing? So it looks like Annabelle is needs to be sent off to Mars. And I think she came waddling back because Dino and the alien, they took a field trip. So she kind of like smelled something was happening, and she came back to roost out there. Get out of there. So hopefully May, we don't have a poopish amount of month because Annabelle's back. So I digress out there, guys. So we're seeing BTC is still up 1.43%. That is good. We're seeing Ethereum is up as well. So not too shabby out there. If you take a look at the crypto market cap right now, we're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance right now is at 47.1 and not too shabby. And we're seeing Ethereum is at 19%. So we are seeing the Bitcoin dominance is going up. So we need to see the Bitcoin dominance go up to around about 50 to 55%. And if that happens, then you know what that means. It's going to be Dogecoin 111 type, guys. Don't get smashed Dogecoin 1. It means that Bitcoin price is going to be really good. So we're seeing that right now, Bitcoin is still above the 28,800 level. So that is really lovely out there. So that is not too bad, guys. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up. We're seeing Ethereum right now is also going up. It's up almost 1%. So hopefully, as the stinkity stocks go down, we're going to get the inverse going up, and that is going to be good out there. So also, we're seeing that Cardano is down 1.61%. We're seeing Doge is coming back, guys, fighting back, pow. And we're seeing that Doge is still above 8 cents, guys. So that has been pretty interesting that Dogecoin has been having a hard time getting above 8 cents. So I'm really hoping that we can get Bitcoin needs to make some momentum out there to get Dogecoin going. We need to see 9 cents coming in. If we can see 9 cents, that's going to definitely confirm the bullish sentiment for Dogecoin. It should be pushing it higher, and that will help us to get close to 10 cents out there. So that's what I'm looking at. That's what you should be looking at. Let's take a quick look at what's going on with the DXY. DXY is going up even harder than, faster than in my previous video, and that was because of the fact that the PCE data is coming in hot. slightly hot, slightly hot. We're seeing right now the SPX is also at 4133 out there. Ethereum right now, because of the PCE data, it's taking a little bit of a hit. It's going down out there, but it's still staying in my upward trending line out there. So we have this point of convergence right here. So hopefully we'll see that Ethereum will follow this yellow trajectory, this little yellow trend line, and hopefully we'll get out a break above our $2,000 level, because that's a hard target. It's definitely a hard target we need to get past. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is broken down on the 12-hour chart. Let's see what's going on the daily chart right now. Let's see what's going on the daily chart, not the 3-day chart. I don't need the 3-day chart. I don't need the hourly chart. The hourly chart don't need that either. What's going on? I got mouse-itis, guys. So if you love the goofy old OG, then we get to smash the likes and show some love out there. So if you take a look at the trading view chart on the daily, we are seeing a little bit of a retracement right now for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going down right now, and it is going down hard. And that is because of PCE data out there, guys. So at this rate, we could collapse below, we could go below 29,000. It looks like it's inevitable. Looks like we could be going down, guys. So this is the OG pump effect. Let's take a look at that. It's looking like on the hourly. Just kind of give you guys an indication of how nastification this candle is. So this is because of the PCE data, right? That's what's fueling that. I wouldn't worry about it. I think that, we should go back up there. It's just a little bit of a retest out there. So let's take a look at the exchange balance out there. Let's give this a minute to refresh. Dogecoin 111 and out there. So we are seeing right now that if you take a look at the Bitcoin exchange balance, we are seeing that the Bitcoin exchange balance is going down. Down. Now, this is a Bitcoin price. This is the exchange balance. So we are seeing a nice drop on the amount of cryptocurrency on the exchanges. So that is pretty good out there. The more that Bitcoin goes off exchanges, the more it's going into hodl shares. And we're seeing that the number of shrimps that are buying Bitcoin, and a shrimp is anyone that is less than 1 Bitcoin. We're seeing that approximately 28,000 Bitcoin is being bought every week by shrimps, guys. So shrimps are definitely taking up a bigger position when it comes to Bitcoin out there. So that is pretty cool beans out there. This is also coming in right now as well. We're seeing that Bitcoin is still under the support of the ascending channel and losing momentum on the lower time frames. If the price gets above 30,000, high with volume, there's a high chance that we will test and create a new high. But as you can see here, if we do not break past this point here, which is a $30,000 level, we could see a breakdown. We definitely need to get back up into this zone here, and that will kind of have the bullish trend continue. So it is very important that Bitcoin gets above 30,000, and that is also good for Dogecoin, because if Bitcoin is below $30,000, then Dogecoin is definitely going to be going down as well. So we definitely need Dogecoin to go up. We need Bitcoin to go up. Otherwise, we're going to be retesting the lows. So yeah, let's keep an eye on it. Like, it looks like just in U.S. government interest payments are now above $928 billion per year. Wow, the highest on record. And don't forget, they just increased the debt ceiling as well out there. So it looks like the Fed's going to be printing more money out there. Looks like Bitcoin on a D3 RSI showing contracting triangle. This is very similar to the price action in 2020 right here, guys. And just before we had a massive bull run. So we're seeing pretty much this setup. This is a D3 RSI here and here. And you can see it was a little bit of a squeeze consolidation here. And when that happens, when we have a breakout here, it often pumps up Bitcoin up. So according to Trader Charter Guide, we could be looking at $170,000 coming by the fall out there. So what am I expecting for May? I'm expecting May to be accumulation, some chop out there. I'm expecting that we close May pretty much where we started, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. Bitcoin 32,000 is absolutely coming according to Captain Fibic out there. But like I said, we definitely need to get ourselves above 30,000. That's definitely going to be helping Dogecoin as well, guys. So, guys, let's listen what our friend Ted Cruz has to say about Bitcoin, guys. So let's listen up.
Listen, I like Bitcoin for the same reason that the Chinese Communist government doesn't like Bitcoin.
Tell them, Dad.
They don't like Bitcoin, and they banned it.
Yep.
Because they can't control it.
Yep.
By the way, I would note, and you guys asked me to be nonpartisan, I'm just going to observe, China hates Bitcoin for the same reason Elizabeth Warren hates Bitcoin.
Yep.
Because they both want to control it.
Oh.
And it comes down to fundamentally, do you want the government in charge of everyone's money?
Oh, no. Do you? All right. Bitcoin. So I think that, I think that is also a good commentary by Ted Cruz. And, he's absolutely right out there. So what do you guys think about that? Comment, guys. Do you think that that Ted Cruz is right? Is Ted Cruz wrong out there? Tell me what you think. I'd love to hear what your comments are, guys. So moving on right now, Taiwan is about to allow traditional banks to offer crypto trading. So that is going to be a big boom out there. So just coming a month back, the chairman of the Finance Supervisory Commission of Taiwan, Hung Ting Mu, confirmed that the island's top financial regulator will be in charge of crypto regulation and that the central banks will allow crypto out there, guys. So that is good. That is good for Taiwan out there. What else is coming? It looks like Dogecoin suffered sharp pullback as markets saw a sudden deluge of selling. So we have been seeing a little bit of a sell-off, and that was because of the whole flood that was spread about Mt. Gox, and the U.S. government was selling off Bitcoin. And that was because of Arkham. Arkham basically sent out a bunch of messages saying that was happening, and that was all 40-foot. They later retracted it, but because of that, we did see that Dogecoin did go down. Dogecoin had some turbulent time, but we're seeing that Dogecoin is coming back, guys. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, we're seeing Dogecoin is dropping down a little bit. It's at 0.795. Let's just jump into what's going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also trading down as well, and that is because the PCE data came in badly, and that is why Dogecoin is going down, guys. So I wouldn't worry about it. But also the big story is right now is Elon Musk moving Dogecoin? Massive Dogecoin whale loads up at 215 million in a single transaction. Will the price plummet? I don't think the price is going to be plummeting. As I said in my previous videos, Elon Musk is accumulating Dogecoin because he needs to backstop Dogecoin when he makes that announcement that Dogecoin is going to be accepted by Twitter. And I think it is just a matter of time. Time, guys. So buckle up, warm up, grow a pair, and get ready because that announcement is coming soon, guys. So, guys, and this whale transaction fueled speculation about whether a sell-off is imminent. No, a sell-off is not imminent. Go wake up. It's not happening, guys. Actually not happening, out there. So, who agrees with me that we should change the Dogecoin, the Twitter logo to the Doge? So the bluebird should be changed to Doge. Or maybe even a blue Doge. What do you guys think? Should we have a blue Doge? Guys, tell me what you think. I think a blue Doge would look fantastic for the Twitter, or at least a blue Doge with wings, That might be nice. I'd love to see that. Would you love to see it? And never freaking forget this. I will keep supporting Dogecoin. The OG was going to keep supporting Dogecoin. Elon Musk, to the freaking moon. OG to the freaking moon. And the crypto daily trade signal to the freaking moon. Dogecoin 111. Get it? Got it. Be the Doge. Feel the Doge. Love the Doge, guys. And if you take a look at social sentiment right now on the monthly, we are seeing that social mentions are up like 200%. Engagements are up like, pretty close to 700%. Social dollars is up 200%. Social contributors are up. And guys, wow. But we're seeing that, the spam volume is up as well. But if we take a look at what's going on in the 3 months, the 3 months out there down. Monthly, we're seeing good. We just talked about that. And on the weekly, we're seeing what the heck is going on. Where is the Doge community? Wake up, ladies and gentlemen. You guys, if you guys, everyone's talking, why the price, why Dogecoin not getting to 10 cents? Why Dogecoin not getting to $1? It's because you out there, all you armchair cowboys have been sitting on your sidelines for a long time, sitting and expecting me and other influencers to do your work for you. If you want Dogecoin to go up, you need to get to your socials and you need to start tweeting up a storm, commenting up a storm, doing something out there that's, progressively assisting the Dogecoin army and not just sitting there whinging and whining. And that's what a majority of you do out there is you whinge and whine, but you don't do anything about it. And it's very funny how a lot of you out there, when you're like anonymous, you're like become all vitriolic and hateful. But when you're face to face with a real human being, you're like a little mouse out there. So guys, keep it real, be real, and help the Doge community and get to your socials out there and support the cause. And if the kitchen's too hot, get out of there. Get out of there, guys. Let's take a look. What's going on with Dogecoin right now. Dogecoin 111, minty fresh. Pow. You see when I pow, you can see like I'm getting some. The matrix is broken. The matrix is broken out there. So we are seeing that Dogecoin is at 0.7946. It's just sitting below the 8. The 8 has just been horrendous resistance out there. Oh, horrendous resistance. We're seeing that the volumes are down as well, but the market cap is still steady at 11 billion. And keep in mind that the Dogecoin is still in the 8th spot. So what you whining for, but what really makes me upset is that people complain about the price, but they sit and do nothing about it, guys. So I have no respect out there. Guys, remember I've talked about this, and we'll cover this every single video. I don't care if you like it or not. I'm doing it because this is a big indicator out there, and this will actually help you. So right now we're seeing that Binance net worth is 69 billion, and we're seeing that if matrix is broken, like I said, this is a huge indicator out there for you. And if the USDT does go down in terms of the percentage of holders, and this is the indicator for Binance that Bitcoin is going to pop. So keep an eye on this. We're going to be covering this every single video. So guys, keep an eye on this. Keep watching, guys. Keep watching. And guys, if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off there. Get it off there. And sleep well at night, guys. Don't have a headache. Don't have this face. Okay? And guys, don't forget to check out our Discord. Don't miss a beat. Don't miss a trick out there, guys. It's a lovely, jubbly out there. You want to talk about Shiba Inu? Let's talk about it briefly. Nothing much. Sideways action, boring, and we could be seeing that Shiba Inu could break down to this level if we're not too careful about 900 out there. So get ready for that, guys. Buckle up. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I appreciate it. Go back, watch all the videos. Great time to be live. Get the merch, guys. Get the freaking merch out there. I'll see you next one, guys. So once again, do your part, or Annabelle's coming home through us permanently. And you know what that's going to mean to the crypto markets, guys. So I'll see you next one. Much love. Peace out.